Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and you're enjoying my videos. Welcome back to your next English class. This is your Nupur ma'am, and without delaying our time, I will start today's class. As you remember, we are doing our literature part. This is a section 1 of the first chapter, Finding My Way, right? I have started this chapter yesterday's video. I think you have seen the video and you have understood whatever I have told you and the meaning and all, right? And till here it was done. I hope you remember. If you don't remember, so see again the video. And okay, I hope there is no any problem. If there will be any problem, definitely you can ask me. If you you can ask me in WhatsApp app also, but you can ask me in YouTube comment also, okay? Because for some days there is some problem in server, so there is maybe some comments or maybe some doubts are written by you, maybe something written by you, but it is not showing in WhatsApp app, maybe some for server problem. So for that reason, suppose you have given any note to that, okay, so don't worry about that, ma'am is not watching, okay? Actually it is a problem of a server, okay? Definitely I will give you the reply, sure, okay? So till here it was done. I hope you remember about whom it was told, about Venkat Sham, right? Venkat Sam, about his own autobiography. He is telling about him and about his own drawing, like this is until this it was done, right? So I hope you remember. Okay, so I will start from the next paragraph, right? See, when father sought to put me in school, the principal wasn't sure I was old enough. You know very well, in each and every school there is a age bounding to start your school life, your childhood life, right? So when father put him to the school, principal actually was not sure about his age, as he was eligible on that or not, okay? He was old enough to give the entrance in school or not, okay? I hope you know the age. There is a starting age to enter in a school, okay? So age was determined by a child's ability to touch his left ear by taking his right hand over his head. How they determine, by thus age was determined in by the child's ability. If the child is able to start his childhood life in school, what is the procedure? He has to touch his left ear. See the picture, okay? It is a procedure. He has to touch his left ear by taking his right hand, okay? Means by taking his right hand, this is your right hand, right? And you have to touch your left ear by your right by your right hand over his head, okay? Over his head. So I understood by I held my ear the easy way. He understood the process, but he held the ear just easy way, okay? And the principal laughed. On that moment principal was laughing. He saw that I was smart, but to be safe, changed my date of birth from 2nd December of 1970 to 28th October 1970. So you can understand little bit changes is there in the births of date, right? So making me older and thus eligible. He made him little bit older and thus he was eligible. I have 2 birthdays now. When father left me with Uncle Jangar, I did not know what was expected of me. Sorry. Sorry, students. When father left me with Uncle Jangar, I did not know what was expected of me. Jangar then had two assistants. On that moment, Jangar had two assistants. Daddy Singh Urvedi and Labda Samar Singh Khusram. These are the names of two assistants. Both a few years older than me, and both of them little bit older, few years older than him. Daddy and Labda used to rag me in my early days. They used to rag him. Rag means, just teasing and trying to insult, like that, right? So early days, what are your roots? They just asked this question, what are your roots? They would ask. I did not understand the question then, but said, my roots are with me. Actually, he didn't understand the inner meaning of the question, but still he gave the answer that my roots are with me. Today I find them everywhere, my roots. Today he can find everywhere his roots. Daddy and Lavda were happy to feel a painting started by Jangar with dots or lines. They were very happy. Why? To feel a painting started. Okay, Jangar completed one painting, right? And they fulfilled the painting started Jangar with dots or lines in patterns set by the master. Master means Jangar set a pattern to fulfill the painting by giving a dots or lines. Okay, so they completed. They did it. Daddy and Lavda. When it came to me, I drew patterns that looked like cracked earth. When it came to him, he drew patterns that looked like cracked earth. The way earth appears after it sucks up water. Jangar was impressed, and to see this, Jangar was totally impressed. How he made it? He made a pattern that looks like a cracked earth. Crack means a breaking. Okay, cracked earth. The way earth appears after it sucks up water. Okay. See, how did Jangar teach? How did Jangar teach? I am reminded of the stories Anand told me of how some Hindustani musicians teach. He reminded that the stories of Anand. Okay, Anand told him how Hindustani musicians teach. For years, a master would make a disciple do all kinds of household drudgery. See, the meanings are written here. Household drudgery means written here. Boring and hard work at home. Boring and hard work done at home. See. Okay. So for years, a master would make a disciple do all kinds of household drudgery. Disciple means, jake bola hai shishyo, right? For years, a master would make a disciple do all kinds of household drudgery. Means he made a person that who was doing all kinds of household work and feel boring also, and teach her how to grasp the perfect sajam, the primal note. Okay, and teach her how to grasp the perfect sa, means all the musical notes. Okay, primal note. Sa is a primal note, main. If they want to indulge you, see, be generous to you. Okay. If they want to indulge you, perhaps ga, another note. Sa is one note, ga is another note. I hope you know the sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. These are the notes of the music. Okay, classical music. So perhaps ga, another note. Then just as a pupil wonders what it is she has really learned, then all the students also wonders to see how she was learning and what was she was learning. Okay. Unbeknownst to herself, see the meaning, without her knowing, He doesn't know her, who is she and how she is, nothing. Okay, without knowing her, she can sing many ragas. Ragas means rags. Ragas, it is called in Bengali rag. This is the classical songs. Okay, if you are a student of music or if you know little bit about music, you can understand. Rag is a classical song. Okay. See, when a newbie arrived, newbie means newcomer. Okay, means suppose that means it is a musical school also. The class there regularly classes are going on about music. Okay, so when a newbie arrived means newcomer arrived. I hope you can see the video. Yeah, the new apprentice means trainee. Okay, who is in undertaking the training. The new apprentice had to work the silvatta, a flat grinding stone and pestle. Silvatta you know very well, right? A flat grinding stone where you can grind the stone and pestle, and grind about 2 kilos of masala, red chilies, coriander seeds, cloves, cinnamon, chopped onion, garlic and ginger. I hope all of you know the meanings of this all. These are all the spices, right? Into a consistent paste where you can make a paste of so many slabs like red chilies, coriander seeds, cloves, cinnamon, chopped onion, garlic and ginger. You know very well what is silvatta. Okay, each and every home there is a silvatta. So whenever a new trainee came there, they had to work on silvatta. Okay, this was the first lesson. Jangar sat monitoring from a distance. Sat means boshe thaka, right? Jangar sat in a distance and he just means he just told each and everything how he had to do. Okay, if you can't grind masala well, how can you hold a brush and paint? If you can't grind masala well, okay, then how you can hold a brush and paint? How can you can start painting? Jangar showered abuse on those who did not get it right. And Jangar showered means shouted. Okay, he just got fired to make abuse, to make insult on those who did not get it right. Okay, who couldn't make the masala properly, he just shouted on them. Jangar often broke into song, asking me to sing along. Okay, Jangar often means broke into song, asking me. Jangar often told him to sing a song along our karma songs, dadariya, folk songs. Dadariya is also one of rag, classical song. Okay, even bhajans also. He played the flute. Flute means you know, bashi. He played the flute, tabla, mandal a kind of drum. Okay, harmonium. He taught us to live. Art just came along. He just told to live. Easily song, art will come out from your inner side. Okay, so this is written by Venkat Sam and S. Anand. Right, so this is the story at all, and I hope you have understood already. If there will be any problem, you can ask me. And this is a small homework for you. You can see, tick the most appropriate options. This is a multiple choice of question. You have to choose the perfect one. Right? Till here you have to do. Okay? Till here you have to do. See, Venkat was named by his grandfather Parsadilal Wiki, Uncle Jawaharlal Wiki, Uncle Jangar Singh Sam, or mother Himalaya Bai. So you have to choose which is the perfect one, which is the correct one. Okay. Venkat compares Vasudeva's song to the Palas flowers because A, B, C, D. You have to choose. The principal loved when young Venkat touched his ears because there are so many options, you have to choose the perfect one. Jangar was impressed with Venkat as a young boy because he A, B, C, D. So there are options, and now it is your work. You have to read all the chapter properly, and then you have to do this all. Okay. Sure. Thank you so much. Wait for the next video. I will discuss the question and answer definitely, but before that, complete this homework. Okay, this is a small homework for you. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.